Hello everyone, my name is Suraj and welcome to Technical Helper YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will be showing you that about best screen recording software. I am not uh, telling about the Bandicam software that everyone use. I am telling about next level software that has no watermark in it and it is a free software. If you want to use this free software, then follow my steps. First of all, go to Google, or I have given the link below in the description so that you can directly go to that website. Type here www.obsstudio.com. Here a web page will come here and click on download OBS. Now you have to select your Windows or Apple, you have Mac, iOS, or you can select any one of these. After downloading your OBS software, install or run your setup so that you can install that like I'm showing. The setup would be like this. Here you can see the setup would be like this: OBS Studio. After downloading the setup, install OBS Studio and run it. It will come like this, and open it. You can see my OBS is running. uh, so you can see OBS is already running unless you shut down any existing instance before trying to run new instance. If you have OBS set to minimize to system tray, please check or see if it's still running. And I am clicking on my minimized OBS. So here you can see my recording is being in progress. What you have to do is click on this first plus and then click on OK so that you can get the new screen. I'm not clicking because my screen recording is in progress. And then here you have to click on plus and click on display capture. After clicking on it, it will ask for your agreement, then click on OK. I'm not clicking because I have already it. So page will open here and go to settings. Here you can see many options, like if you want to set your theme in dark or system anything, here you can set, but mine is correct, so let's go. Okay, now you have installed the best recording software uh, in which there is no watermark and anything. uh, like you can see this video is being shooted by OBS, and you are not able to see any watermark here, like Bandicam has www dot blah 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 blah. So this recording software is very good and very useful for those who want to run tutorials in their channels. So if this video finds helpful, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.